Every image on your site is one click away from being wrong or exactly right. And most of this doesn't cost you anything. Let's take a look at how to replace, upload, and manage images in Airo AI Builder. Handful of images and videos carry a lot of the weight here. The hero photo is a video behind. You could see photos of the members, and you could see photos of the coaches as well. Even the logo in two places is doing work for us. Let's go through how to actually touch each one of these. There are more ways to work with these images than most people realize. First of all, you could click and edit any image that you would like completely for free. This will enable you to search the Getty stock images or upload your own file. Let's see how. Let's try to click to replace for free. In this case, I want to edit this image, and I don't like how the white text is on top of her face, so I will modify this. You see that I have choices to be able to crop the image, and that's great. I might want to keep it in landscape mode and simply rotate this image a little bit by mirroring it and then select save. And you could see that my update has been applied. And now the text doesn't look like it's on top of her white swim cap, which is perfect. Now, if instead I wanted to swap out the image entirely, I could select a different one from the Getty Images library that you see here. These are all stock photos that you have the ability to use on your website as part of the Airo plan. Or you could search for a different photo entirely. And here you could see all of the different images, be it photos or videos that would fit your site. Select the one that you want and then click to apply. You have several ways to upload an image. You can either select to attach a file and search your computer for that file, or when you replace an image, you have the ability to upload right within the image editor experience. Now, for your logos, there are a couple of tips to keep in mind. Logos are image files as well. In this case, our logo that we have uploaded was created elsewhere and we brought it in, but we made sure that it had a transparent background because if it had a color on the background, putting it over top of something else on our website really wouldn't work for that. Formats that do work well, JPEGs are great for photos, smaller files, and they don't offer transparency, whereas a PNG file would offer transparency for logos or anything else that needs to have a see-through background. Finally, make sure that your images, especially for large hero sections on your website, are really high resolution. A small file stretched out is going to look too pixelated. So what actually does cost credits? Everything that I've shown you so far has been free. Credits come in 4 different ways. If you ask the chat to search and replace a photo instead of using the click menu, or if you ask the chat to resize or reposition or restyle an image, if you ask the chat to add the overlays or effects on top of one, or generating an AI image from scratch would cost you credits. All 4 of those go through the chat, not the click menu, therefore they would rely upon credits. Reach for the click menu first. It's free and it covers most of what you'll actually need. Replacing a photo, uploading your own, keeping files organized in the asset manager, save your chat and credits for things that genuinely need AI, like resizing, restyling, or generating something new. Again, click to replace, drag to upload, use our image asset manager to organize, and then chat only when you actually need AI. Go click on any image in your own site right now and see the free options for yourself before you ever open the chat to adjust it. If you haven't started to build yet, the link to Airo AI Builder is in the description below. You'll also find a link to our Discord where you could come and show us exactly the images that you are changing and modifying on your site. We'd love to see it. Comment which of these that you didn't know about before. A like will help more builders find this video, and subscribe so you could catch the next one. Thanks again.